What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website that you can use to start generating up to $2,000 or more every month through affiliate marketing. To show you a practical example of what you're about to learn in this video, these are payments I've received in the last 30 days as affiliate commissions for promoting different offers on my website. Here's $100 that I received. Then anywhere you see minus, that means the money left my account. I will go to my bank account or something. Here is $4. Here's another $100. Then $11. Here we have 221, and we have 15 USD, 44 USD, $27. Here we have $161, and we also have $14, $11, $10. And if I keep scrolling down, you're going to see here I received over $500, over $400, over $100, and I can continue to scroll down to show you more of these payments that I receive multiple times every month following the system I am going to show you in this video. And basically, to achieve this kind of results, we are going to follow 5 steps. Step 1 is to pick a niche. The second step is to build a website around the niche you've chosen in step 1. And then we are going to find affiliate offers that we can promote on our website. And then step 4, we'll start creating content on our website to promote our affiliate links. And the final step, which is step 5, is to get traffic to our website. And when people go through the content on our website, click on any of the affiliate links that we have and start using the product we are promoting, we are going to start earning affiliate commissions from each conversion. And that is how we are going to make money from our website using these 5 steps. Now, I'm going to walk you through each of these 5 steps. I'll show you everything you need to know and everything you need to do. You just need to make sure you watch this video till the end and follow all the steps I'm going to show you. Now, let's start with step 1, which is picking a niche. This is very important because the niche you decide to choose will determine how profitable your website can be. Some niches have the potential to make more money than others, but the basic idea is to find a niche that you can be comfortable in the sense that you can continuously create content on that topic without running out of ideas, and also a niche that has demand and also potential to make money. Some niches have high demand. That's a lot of people are interested in those topics, but they don't really have a lot of potential to make money when it comes to affiliate promotions, because you really cannot find a lot of offers that you can promote around that topic. So I try to look for a niche with high demand and potential to make a lot of money. From my research and experience, this is a list of some of the profitable niches you can build a website around if you want to make money through affiliate marketing. This list is showing on your screen right now. You can just take a screenshot and then pick one of them as the topic you want to focus on. For this video, I'm going to work with the cryptocurrency niche. What that means is my website is going to be built around cryptocurrency, and the reason why I'll be working with this niche is because I have a lot of experience on this topic, so I can create a lot of content over a very long period of time without running out of ideas. Also, there's a high demand for cryptocurrency related information, and there are a lot of cryptocurrency platforms and products that I can easily promote on my website to earn high commissions. So everything I'm going to do in this video will be around cryptocurrency, but you can choose any topic you want and follow the same process that I'll follow. After you've picked a niche you want to work with, the next thing we need, which is step 2, is to create our website. And we are going to create our website using WordPress. I'm going to show you how to build everything up from scratch. First, I'll show you how to get a domain name and hosting for a website, and then I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress website and how to customize your WordPress website to look exactly like what you want it to look. So let's start by getting a domain name and hosting for our website. And we are going to use Hostinger, which is the hosting platform I use for all my websites. So just go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video. That's my Hostinger link. And if you use that link, you are going to get a special discount when buying your domain name and hosting. So click on that link. It will bring you over to this page on Hostinger. You can see create a website with ease for just $299 per month. You also get 3 months for free if you use this deal right here. So you can just scroll down where you have website builder and web hosting. This is what we want to get. So just click on add to cart. Here you can get to see all the awesome features you are going to get from this package: up to 100 websites, unmetered traffic, 247 support, unlimited free SSL. That means you don't need to buy SSL separately. 99.9% uptime, weekly backups so that you don't lose anything on your website. You also get 100 gig of SSD storage, Cloudflare protected name servers, and malware scanner. And they also have different time period that you can choose from. There's a 1 month plan, 12 months plan, the 24 months plan, and then the 48 months plan. You just need to choose the one that works for you. If you decide to work with the 1 month plan, it's going to cost you $11.99 per month, and you are going to renew every month. Or you could decide to go with the 12 months plan. This is going to cost you just $2.99 per month, and it's going to renew at $8.99 every year. Or there's a 24 months option. This is going to cost you $2.99 per month for the first year, and then will renew at $7.99 every 24 months. And finally, we have the 48 months plan. With this, you are going to get 3 months for free and just $2.99 per month, and you will renew at $6.99 after 48 months, which is like 4 years. And these plans will also give you free domain for the first year. So you just want to choose the one that works for you. Let's say I'm going to work with the 48 months plan, for instance. Then you just need to scroll down where you can create your account right here. You can either enter your email address and follow the account creation process, or just log in with your Facebook or your Google account. After you've done that, you can now proceed to payment. Here, you can select the payment option that works for you. You want to use your card or PayPal or Google Pay or Alipay or CoinGate. Select the payment option that you want to use. Let's say I want to use my card. This premium web hosting plan is supposed to cost me $143. This is already a great deal for you because you don't have to worry about web hosting for the next 4 years. You also get a domain name for free for the first year, and it's not going to cost you any money to set up. That means you've already gotten 75% discount from this deal, but I'm going to show you how to get an extra 10% discount so that you not pay up to the amount that is showing up right here. What you just need to do is to check the description of this video again. You are going to see my 10% coupon code. You can just copy it. Regardless of the plan you choose, this coupon code is also going to work for you. Whether you decide to work with the 24 months plan or the 12 months plan, you can apply this coupon code and get an extra 10% discount. So right now, I have $143 on my card here. If I click on have a coupon code and then I paste my coupon code and then click on apply, now you see coupon code applied, and the amount I'm going to pay has been slashed from $143 to just $129, right? And that's just super cool. With that in place, you just need to go ahead and complete your payment. You can also see that you have a 30-day money back guarantee on this payment, so it's completely safe for you. Just follow the next steps and complete your payment. After going through all of that, just log into your Hostinger dashboard. I already have a premium web hosting with Hostinger that I'm going to use, but for the web hosting you just bought, you need to set it up. The process is very simple. You are going to see the setup button right on your dashboard here. Just click it and follow through the process. What I'm going to do right now is to come over to websites. These are the websites I've created in the past, but for your new account, this page is going to be blank. You just want to click on create or migrate a website. Then we just need to answer a few questions that will help Hostinger provide the resources that will match our needs. So it says, what type of website do you want to create? We're going to create a blog, a website where we can publish content constantly to be able to promote our affiliate links. Then create or migrate a website. I'm going to select create a new website. Select a platform you want to use to design your website. You can use Hostinger Builder, which makes it very easy for you. But I'm going to use WordPress in this instance, and then click on select WordPress. Here, you will need to set up the login details for your WordPress dashboard. So select the language, enter the email you want to use, then set a strong password for yourself. Then go ahead and click continue. Here it says add plugins to your website. I'm going to skip this step. I can always do this later inside my WordPress dashboard. So I'll click skip. Then at this stage, you can get to pick a template you would want to use for your website. You can just check through if you can find anyone you want to use. You can always skip this step and then pick a theme later. Let's say, for instance, I want to use this. I'll just click select. Now, the next step is to get a domain name for our website. If the hosting package you got comes with a free domain, you can just claim your free domain right here. But I'm going to buy a new domain right now. So I'm going to select buy a domain. Then we'll need to search for a domain name that we can use. Let me try something like cryptoland.com. Click on search. Cryptoland.com is already taken. Let's try cryptopalace.com. Cryptopalace is taken. I finally found one that is available and I'm going to use cryptowell.com. I just wanted to have a domain name that is related to the topic of my website and that will also be easy to remember. And cryptowell.com matches that. This is going to cost me $7.99 per year. I'll click on buy now. I'll need to choose a billing period. I'm going to use 1 year, and then this is going to be about $9.89. If the web hosting plan you bought from Hostinger comes with a free domain, you will not have to pay any amount right here. You just need to claim your domain and then proceed to setting up your website. But I need to complete this payment right now, so I'm going to click on complete payments. I have completed the payment successfully. I'll just click on next step. Here, I'll just click on finish registration. Cryptowell.com is being registered. Then Hostinger is doing its thing to set up our website for us. Our website is ready. To start customizing our website, I'm going to click on edit your website. This will take us to our WordPress dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Let me just visit our website so that you get to see what our website currently looks like. So this is what we have right now. Now let's go ahead and customize our website. I'll just come over here, click on dashboard. Right now, what I'm going to do is to come over to settings. There are just some things I need to fix from the settings of my website, like the site title. I'm going to use the name of my website as the site title, which is CryptoWell. Then you can enter a tagline. That's optional. I'm not going to use a tagline right now. Then if I scroll down, site language is going to be English. For the time zone, you can select any time zone based on your location. I'm going to use Lagos. Then date format, you can select the date format you want to use, but I'm cool with this. Then time format as well. And then all of these are just basic. I'll click on save changes. Then the next thing I'll do is to come over to plugins. Here, I'm going to remove all the default plugins that came with my website. So I'm going to check this box and then click on bulk actions, then deactivate, and then click on apply. That will deactivate all the plugins. Now I'm going to delete them, select everything, bulk actions, and then delete, then click on apply, and I'm going to click on OK. Now that we've taken all of that out of our way, the next thing I'm going to do is to install the theme I want to use for my website. And to do that, I'll come over to appearance. To install a new theme, I'm going to click on add new. Now there are a lot of WordPress themes that you can decide to use for your website. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. The choice of theme is up to you, but for this video, I'm going to use a theme called Color Mag. So I'll come back to the search box and search for Color Mag. This is it. So I'm going to click on install. This theme is very easy to use. You can use it for free and it is going to give you a very simple and good looking blog. After installing, I'm going to click on activate. That is done successfully. Let me open our website on a new tab so that you see what we currently have. This is what our website looks like after activating this theme, and we are going to make it look even better. What I'm going to do right now is to click on get started with Color Mag. And from here, we can basically import a demo version of our website. This will make customization easier for us because we are going to have a better picture of what our website will look like at the end of the day. Right now, you can see that we have a blank website, so we can import some demo content so that we have something to work with while customizing our website. Also, this importer is going to help you install the necessary plugins you will need to use this particular thing. There are different templates that you can pick from here. Some of them are free, but all these ones with a pro label will require you to pay to use them. So we are going to use the main one here, the first one. I'll just click on import. You can just read through this notification here, but I'll just go ahead and click on confirm. So the content of our website is being imported. This is going to take some time because of the images and other media files that will come with it. The demo has been imported. Now, if I come back to our website, and just refresh this page, you can see this is what it looks like right now. And you can see this is kind of better than when you are trying to customize your website without any content on it. At the end of the day, you can always delete all of this content here. One good thing I like about this theme is that we can place custom banner ads on our website to promote our affiliate links, and this can easily get us more clicks and as a result more conversion. Now let's proceed to the next step, and what I'm going to do is to click on customize. Under appearance, you are going to see customize, so click on it. There are two ways to customize the different elements that that you have here. First, you could start to use the menu here, and you can basically follow through and edit the different parts of your website, or you can just click on this edit icon on each of the different elements. For instance, this date, once I click on it, it brings up this editor. Now I can decide to disable date. That means we're not going to have the date showing right at the top there. Also, if I want to disable latest news, I'm going to uncheck enable under breaking news, and you see that takes away the date and the breaking news from the top of our website. But let me just enable the both of them because I want to have them there. The next thing you have here are the social media icons. If I click on this edit icon here, you can either enable or disable the social media icons at the top of your website. Then you can add the links to these different social media platforms, the link to your Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, and all of that. That's very easy to do. You just need to copy the link and paste right here. Let's say I want to add the link to my YouTube channel. I'll come over, copy this link, then come and paste it right here, and then click on publish. And with that, once somebody clicks on this YouTube icon, it's going to redirect them to my YouTube channel. So that's how you can edit the social media icons at the top here. Then the next thing we have is this logo. If I click on it, it opens up the site identity section. You can change the logo, but for me, I'm going to remove the logo completely. And then for the site icon, I'm going to use my own custom site icon. Let's say this is the one I want to use, and then click on select. Then I'm going to click on skip cropping, and then if I scroll down for the site title, I'm going to use my website name as the site title. Then I'll leave the tagline. Then for the visibility, that's the icon you want to show up here. I'm going to change it from header logo only to header text, so have the name of our website popping up right here. Then I'm going to click on publish. Now if I come back to our website again, refresh this page, you are going to see that that has been implemented for us, both the site title and the site icon. The next thing we have at the top here is this banner ad. I'll come back to this when it's time to promote our affiliate link, but let's jump over to the menu that we have here. And to edit our menu, let's go back to WordPress because I need to create new categories that fit the context of my website. To create a new category, I'll come over to post and then click on categories. Let's say I'm going to create a category called Bitcoin news, since this is a cryptocurrency related website, and then you can add a description, whatever, and then click on add new category. You can also delete all of these different categories. I've selected all the ones I want to delete. Click on bulk actions, then delete, then click on apply. So these are the categories I have on my website right now. Let's say I'm going to add one more category, and I'm going to call it N, and then click on add new category. Now, let's say I have all the categories I want to have on my website. To customize my menu, I'll come back to appearance again, click on customize, then click on this edit icon that is on my menu. Then I'll just click on edit menu right here. I can just remove layout from the menu. So I'll click on it, then click on remove, then remove all the other items that we have under it. I'll also remove this view pro, click on it and then remove. Now I'll click on add items, then I'll come under categories. First of all, I'm going to add Bitcoin news, then I'll add featured, then I'm going to add, let's say N, and then videos. You can basically add as many as you want to add. I'm going to add business. So let's say that's all I want to have right here. Now you can easily rearrange how they'll show up on your website. So let's say I want to have featured at the top. I'll just drag it to the very top here. Then I want to have Bitcoin news next to it. Drag it to the very top again. Then let's say I want to have business next to Bitcoin news. Just click and drag appropriately. So this is what we have right now. I'm going to click on publish, and now you can see how our menu is going to appear on our website. So if I come over, refresh this page, that sits just perfectly. So that is how you can edit the menu of your website. Then we have this section here. I'm going to enable show home screen, enable search, but disable random post. Yeah, so that's how I want to have it. Then I'm going to click on publish. Now that you know the basics of working with this customizer, you can follow the same process to customize all the other parts of your website. One more thing I want to show you is how to add posts to the different categories that we have here. So we have different categories here that we created. And if I click on Bitcoin news, for instance, you'll see that this category is still blank. So how do you add content to the different categories that you have? I'll come over to customize, then go back to my dashboard, then come over to all posts. Here you are going to see the different posts that you have on your website. Now take note that this is still part of the demo content we imported. You will need to delete all of these and create your own post afresh. But let's say this is a post on my website and I want to add it to this Bitcoin news category. I just need to click on quick edit and then select Bitcoin news as the category, uncheck news, and then just click on update. Now, if I come over here, refresh this page, you are going to see that we have this post as part of this category right now. And then you can just follow the same process to add your post to different categories on your website. Everything here is very simple, and that's the beauty of working with WordPress. You can easily figure things out even if you are just trying it out for the first time. Another thing you can do on your website is to come over to pages. Here you are going to see the different pages you have on your website. You can delete any one of them you think you don't need. I know I'll not be needing sidebar content and all of this. I'll just bin them, but I'm going to need pages like contact us, about us, and all of that. So I can easily edit these pages to fit my own purpose. Now I have just 2 pages left. To edit the content of a page, you can just click on it, and here you can basically replace this with the privacy policy of your website. Once you are done, go ahead and click on publish, and that's basically how you can edit the pages that you have on your website. So just go ahead and set up your website properly. But let's say I'm done customizing my website. The next thing I'm going to do is to come over to post. Right now I'm going to delete all the demo posts on my website because these are not my original post. So I'm going to delete everything. Just click bulk actions and select move to bin, then click on apply. After deleting all the demo posts we had on our website, our job from this point on is to start creating content that we are going to use to promote our affiliate links on our website. At this stage, we've successfully checked both step 1, which is to pick a niche, and step 2, which is to build our website. The next step is to find affiliate offers that we can promote before we actually start creating content on our website. Now that your website is ready, the next step is to find affiliate offers that you can promote on your website. And this process is very simple. You just need to look for products and platforms related to your niche that you can recommend to your website visitors. For instance, my website is about cryptocurrency. I just need to look for crypto platforms and products that will be willing to pay me a certain percentage commission once I'm able to execute a certain task for them. Maybe it's to get people to sign up or to get people to trade with them. Whatever it is, there are a lot of them out there. You just need to research around your niche and you'll be able to find platforms and products that will be willing to pay you, maybe per sign up or per sale. With a little bit of research, you are going to find a lot of affiliate programs that you can join and make money from. If you're already familiar with the niche, you already know where to look. Most times, if you go to a particular website, just scroll down to the very end of the homepage, you are going to see a link to their affiliate program. You just need to sign up, join their program. Once your application is approved, you are going to get an affiliate link that you are going to start using for your promotions. Another way of finding affiliate offers is to go to affiliate marketplaces. These are platforms that get to list products that affiliate can promote and make money from. It could be clickbank.com, it could be JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Impact.com. There are a lot of them out there. Go to these platforms and search for products that fit your niche. You will always find a lot of them. Let me show you a quick example. For my cryptocurrency website, I'm going to look for crypto platforms that have affiliate programs that I can join. For instance, if I come over to Binance, here I can easily click on referral and you can see their affiliate offer. You can refer friends and get 100 USDT in trading fee, both you and the people you refer, or you can switch over to the standard referral program. And for this, you refer friends and earn crypto together. So it's a win-win for everybody. You can earn up to 40% commission on every trade across Binance Spot, Futures, and Pool. If you want to learn more about how Binance affiliate program works, you can just click on View Referral Rules. And on the other side here, I'm going to see my referral ID and my referral link. This is the link I'm going to use whenever I want to invite people to start trading on Binance. And when people sign up through my link and start trading on Binance, I'm going to earn between 20% to 40% of the trading fee fee. So this is one offer I can promote on my website. I can also check another crypto platform like Coinbase. If I go to coinbase.com, on Coinbase, you can see their referral offer at the down here. If I click on it, you are going to see invite a friend to Coinbase and you will both get 4,600 naira. After the trade, just over 46,000 naira on the platform. And this is my Coinbase affiliate link. So if I use this link and get people to sign up on Coinbase, by the time they trade up to 46,000 naira, we are both going to get 4,600 naira, which is like 10% of this amount. Another crypto platform I can easily promote on my website would be KuCoin.com. If I come over to KuCoin and then I scroll down to the very end of the page, here you see affiliate. If I click on it, they said earn commissions through the KuCoin affiliate program. You can invite friends to trade on KuCoin and earn up to 50% commission on their trading fees. So I can just go ahead, click on apply now, join the affiliate program and get my affiliate link. There are a lot of platforms like this that have affiliate programs that you can join. Just find one that fits your niche. For this video, I'm going to focus on promoting Binance, and this is going to be very easy for me because Binance is a popular platform and a lot of people trust them. That means I have less work to do in terms of convincing people to start using this platform. I just need to show them what they need to do, and if it's something they need, they are very likely to sign up through my link and start trading, and that way I'm going to start making some money for myself. So this is the process I follow to find affiliate offers that I can promote on my website. You can just follow this same framework and look for affiliate programs related to your niche that you can start promoting on your own website. At this stage, you've gone through step 1 to 3. You've picked a niche you want to work with. You've built your niche website and you've researched affiliate programs you can join. The next step, which is step 4, is to start creating content on your website that you can use to start promoting your affiliate links. Now, the thing about creating content is that it is not a one-time thing. It's not like building a website. For your website, you just need to create it once. You also just need to find a niche once. But when it comes to the content aspect, you have to create content over and over and over again. So basically, you want to create content around topics that will interest the audience you want to attract. Let's say for my crypto niche website, I'll start creating content that will attract people interested in crypto. These are the kind of people that will need the products and platforms I will be promoting. And the basic idea behind your content creation process is to provide value to your audience and then recommend relevant platforms and products through your affiliate link. Another very important concept you need to know when it comes to creating content on your website is search engine optimization, because the ultimate goal at the end of the day is to get people to visit your website. And search engine optimization, or SEO, will help search engines like Google recommend the content of your website to the right people on search result page. So it is very important to optimize your content so that search engines can rank them appropriately. I've already made a full video on this channel on how to create SEO optimized articles for your website. So I'm going to link that video in the description. You can just check it out after this video. But right now, I'm going to show you how I'll write an article to promote my Binance referral link on my website. So to start writing my blog post, the first thing I like to do is keyword research. And I use this tool called Ubersuggest for my research. And what I'm trying to do here is to make sure that I write my blog post around keywords with high demand and also keywords that will make it easier for me to rank high on Google. So what I'm going to do here on Ubersuggest, I'll click on keyword research, then click on keyword overview. Now there are a lot of other keyword research tools out there that you can use just in case you don't want to use Ubersuggest. So here what I'm going to do is to enter the main keyword of my post. In this case, it's going to be Binance. And then you can select your language. Then you can select the location you want Ubersuggest to pull data from. I'm going to use all locations and then I'll click on search. So Ubersuggest is saying Binance gets on average over 13 million searches on Google per month. But even though this number is very high, I'm not going to work with this because this keyword is too broad. That means there's going to be a lot of competition, which is going to make it too hard to rank for this keyword. So I'm going to tweak it a little bit to get something related to this, but that's going to be easier to rank for. Let's say I'm going to use something like Binance Staking, then use the same language location and then click on search. Binance Staking gets on average 33,000 searches on Google, which is fine by me. So I'm going to work with this. And then if you scroll down, you are going to see other valuable data about this particular keyword, the number of clicks from SEO results, then searchers age range. And if you scroll further down, you are going to see keyword ideas that can really help you when creating your content. After picking the keyword you want to use, your next step is to actually form your blog post. So I'm going to pause this video for a moment, write my blog post about Binance Staking before we continue. Alright, I'm done writing my blog post, and the title of the post is Binance Staking: How to Earn Passive Income with Your Crypto. And as you can see, I have my main keyword on my title. Having your keyword on the title of your post is very important to search engines, and if you check through, you are going to see that I have this same keyword on different parts of my write-up, also as a subheading, just to make sure that search engines are able to recognize what this post is all about, and that'll help them rank it appropriately. So this is basically a comprehensive write-up on how to start staking cryptocurrency on Binance. And remember, our goal is to provide value and then get people to use our referral link. For instance, here we will have create and verify your Binance account. This is the session where I'm going to include my referral link so that in the process of creating the account, they can get to do that with my link. So once your post is ready, we can now go over to WordPress. On that post, just click on add new. I'll need to add the title of my post here. So I'll come over, copy my title, then paste it right here. Then you can now bring in the body of your post. I'll just copy everything that I have here, then come over and paste. And then I'm going to do all the editing from here. Now, once you drop your cursor on a particular part of your text, you are going to see this editor. Let's say I want to make this intro bigger. I just need to turn it into a heading. So click on heading, and then you can select whether you want it to be H1, H2, H3, or H4. The lower the number, the bigger the size of the text. What I mean is H1 is bigger than H2, H2 is bigger than H3, in that order. And then you can see other options that you have: create a list, code, columns, and all of that. Also, you can move elements up or down by clicking on this up or down arrow. So if I click on the up arrow, it just moves the text above by one step, and then I can push it down by clicking on the down arrow. Here you can select the type of alignment you want to use. If you want to align to the left, center, or right, then you can make your text bold, you can italicize your text, you can hyperlink your text, and then all this other stuff that you can do. So I'm just going to follow that and edit my post properly. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to make this header 2. So I'm done with all of that. I'm going to click on save draft. Now let's preview what we've done so far. Just come over to preview, then click preview in new tab. And this is how it is going to look like. And even though this is quite nice, it looks very, very boring. And the way we can get to spice things up and make it more interesting is by adding images. So let's go ahead and add some images to our post. When it comes to adding images to your post, there are two major ways to go about it. You can either design the images yourself, or you can link to images on other websites. Designing images is going to take some time. So what I'm going to do in this video is to link to images on other websites. And to do that, I'll just click on this plus icon. Right here, just look for image. If you can't find image at the top, you can just search for image and then just hold and drag to the position you want to have it. And as you can see, you have three options: upload an image, add an image from your media library, that means the media files you uploaded to your WordPress, or you can insert from a URL. I'm going to use insert from URL. Then what I'm going to do is to come over to Google, just search for Binance Staking, and then switch over to images. Let's say I want to use this first image. Just click on it and then right click, then click on copy image address, and then come over to WordPress, then click on insert from URL and paste URL here, then click on enter. And as you can see, the image has been added to our post. You can caption this if you want. You can add an alt text. Let me say image showing Binance Staking. Then you can also adjust the size. Let's say if this is too big, I can make it maybe 75% or 50%. Let's work with 75%. You can also adjust the width and the height. Then I'm going to look for another point to add an image again. Let's say here where we started talking about choosing a staking product, I'm going to add an image here just to show this process. So I'll click on add again, then drag in image, and I'll come back to Google again. Let's say this is an image that I can add at that point. I'm going to click on it, then right click, copy image address, then come back and just paste it here and click on enter. So just follow this process and add your images to different sections of your post. Once I'm done with all of that, I'm going to click on save draft, and let's see another preview of what we have right now. And this is what our website looks like at the moment, and this is far better than when there was no image. At this point, there's one very important thing we've not done yet, and that is to add our referral link to this post. So what I'm going to do right now is to come over to my Binance account, then copy my referral link, then come over to our post. What I'm going to do is to embed my link in places people are most likely to click from. So for instance, here where we have create and verify your Binance account, under step 1, we have the first step in creating a Binance account is to visit the official Binance website at binance.com. So I'm going to hyperlink official Binance website at binance.com. Just highlight the text, then click on this link icon and then paste my link here. I will also check open a new tab so that once people click on this link, it's going to open that page on a new tab. That way they don't leave my website. Then I'll click on enter. Now this is my Binance referral link. Once people click on it, it's going to take them to Binance where they can sign up, and when they start trading, I'm going to start making money. There are a lot of other places you can also add your affiliate links, but you basically don't want to do it too much. For instance, here under step 2, log into your Binance account. I'm going to link Binance account, so I'll just highlight Binance account and then add my link here. So just go through your content and look for strategic places you can post your referral link. And if you want, you can add a separate paragraph for your link. Let's say, for instance, I can just add a new paragraph here and then just type in create your Binance account here. So I'm going to link just here. So now I have a separate paragraph for my link. That's very easy. Let's save this again and let's have another preview of what we have at the moment. So this is what it looks like right now. So where we have visit the Binance website. Once people click on this link, it brings them over to Binance and they can go ahead and set up their account. So this is basically how to create blog posts on your website and use those posts to promote your affiliate link. Now I'm going to come back to our text editor. So what I'm going to do here is to click on post. Let's say we're finally done with what we're doing. You can customize the URL of this post if you want to stick it to the top of the blog. You can also add it to a particular category on your website. You can add tags, you can add a featured image, you can also write an excerpt, and if you want to allow comments, you can do all of those interesting stuff right here. But let's say I'm done, I'll just go ahead and click on publish, then publish. This is the URL to this page. I'll just copy it and then let me open a new tab and let's see what it is going to look like. So this is what we have. I'll come back to WordPress. Now, if you look at the URL of our post, you can see that it is very random. Having the title of your blog post in your URL helps both your website visitors and also search engine algorithms. So what I'm going to do, I'll come over to my WordPress dashboard, then come over to settings and then permalinks, and then change the permalink structure to post name and then click on save changes. Now I've come over to post and I click on this, you are going to see that the title of this post is now included on the URL. Finally, on this post, I'm going to click on quick edit and then just remove this strong that we have on the title and then click update. Now the title is just simple and straightforward. So you can follow the same process and create every other post you want to have on your website. You can create posts on different topics to promote different affiliate links. And with time, you will just discover that your website is now a very robust machine that is working 24/7 to get people to click on your affiliate links. Another very interesting thing you can do is to promote your affiliate links using custom ad banners. And let me show you how to do that. Come over to WordPress, then appearance, then click on customize. Let's use this banner at the top. For example, I'm going to click on edit, then you can enter the title here. Let me just say Binance sign up, then advertisement image link. That's the link you want this banner to lead to. I'm going to paste my referral link there. So just copy and then come over and paste. Then the next thing you need is the advertisement image. And for the image, I'm going to design something like this on Canva. So I'm going to open Canva. Then just click on custom size. I'm going to enter the size of my banner, which is 728 by 90 pixels. So I'll come over 728 by 90 and then click on create new design. Then with this, I'm going to change the background color to black. Then come over to elements, just search for Binance. Let's say I'm going to use this for instance. then just replace the background. So have something like this. How you design your banner is completely up to you. Then I'll come over to text, then just bring in start trading. So I'm going to use something very simple. So I'm going to use this for instance, then bring in another line of text, then just reduce the text size. So I'm going to have something like this. I'll go ahead and save, and then come over to WordPress again. Then we'll have select image, click on it, upload files, just drag in my file, and then select the image. Then go ahead and click on use image, and you can see that will place our banner at the top. Then I'm going to click on publish, and there are more spaces to add banner ads as well. So you can just go ahead and fix all of that. Once you are done, let's come over to our website, refresh this page, and you can see that's sitting up there for us. This is going to show up on every page of your website, and this is one very unique way to get people to see your affiliate links. And this is basically how to use content to promote your affiliate link. The next step is to start pushing traffic to your website. Now let's talk about how to get traffic to your website, because this is very important. If people don't see the content you create, there's no way they are going to convert, and there's no way you are going to make money. So it's very important that people constantly visit your website. That's the only way they can get to see your content, use your affiliate links, and as a result, help you generate some money. So to start getting traffic to your website, the first thing you want to do is to create valuable content consistently, because this is what is going to attract people to your website. And you don't necessarily have to add an affiliate link to every post you make. So create valuable content consistently. And then the second tip I have for you is to mean business with search engine optimization. The best way to get traffic to your website is to get Google to start ranking your website for certain keywords, because most times when people are searching for stuff, they will usually go to Google. And if you can get Google to rank your content under the right keywords, you are going to be attracting the kind of people who are ready to take action, because that is actually what they are looking for at the moment. So mean business with SEO. If you don't know anything about SEO yet, you can actually take the time to learn it and apply all the needed SEO strategies to your website and to your content. If you can get just one of your articles to rank number one for a big keyword on Google, that alone can make you a lot of money, because it will be attracting thousands of traffic to your website. That is why it is absolutely worth it to invest the time in learning search engine optimization. After SEO, there are a lot of other ways to get traffic to your website. I will not be able to cover all of them in this video. So what I've done, I've created a short PDF where I share 21 effective ways to build your website traffic very fast, even if it's a brand new website. And I'm giving you this PDF absolutely for free. So if you want to learn how to build your website traffic very fast in order to start making money as soon as possible, I am going to leave the link to download this PDF in the description below. So you can just download it and follow the steps you see right there. All the 21 methods you see there are free. You don't have to pay for traffic or any of that kind of stuff. So you just need to follow, implement, and you are going to start getting traffic to your website. And that's basically it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button to give this video a like. I really appreciate that. And also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so that I get to know whenever I drop a new video in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.